Hi folks, in this video I would show you different aspects of the setting button of the Financial Unlimited, how you can set up your different features in system setup, how can you structure your chart of accounts as per your internal and external reporting requirements, how can you manage users, and how can you change password. Okay, first of all, I would like to talk about this system setup. If you remember when we after registration with Financial Unlimited, when we logged in, the system setup started, and we almost filled all the information with all the relevant information in these system setup fields. Like we have set up our organization name, its legal name, company, contact person. All of those information you can change or edit it through this system setup. If you want to change your logo, you can bring logo into it. You need to select your logo, and if you want to bring your new logo in the system, which you want to see on your receipts, then you need to bring upload logo in the system here. How That's how you can upload. That is what I have already showed during the system setup system setup in the first or second video. Okay, we have discussed about this currency, as many currencies as you want. You can add if you deal with multiple currency. We have discussed this financial settings as well, that you need to give these information, need to save these information in the system. We have already discussed this as well. Now, this is the most important thing which I need to discuss in this particular thing, because this was not done. This is the only portion of the system setup which was not done during the setup progress bar when we logged in first time in Financial Unlimited. And this account setting for reporting is important for generating your financial report correctly. You need to, for instance, this here you here system is asking that you need to tell system what does current asset mean. You need to tell, like fixed asset, it has automatically it has automatically brought up this fixed asset. Similarly, we need to tell the system that these current asset items should appear in current assets in different financial reports. And here we need to tell the system current liabilities means current liability. And if the system doesn't understand what is indirect expense, we need to tell the system this is indirect system. You can, whatever name you can use, in whatever language, but you need to explain the system what does that mean. When you would set up this thing properly, only then your financial reports would run successfully. If you go to reports over here, these reports, especially financial reports, will work correctly if these settings for reporting is done correctly. Here I have correct. There is no category left where it says none. I have uh, mm, associated all the categories with all the account name with their relevant categories in reports. Okay, the next thing is chart of account. Chart of account is basically the most important part of this part for setting up or structuring any business in Financials Unlimited. You can set up any kind of business, whether small, medium, or large, using these dynamic chart of accounts, which in the in through these chart of accounts you can track any layers of accounts as you want. And you can set up all the reporting. You can set up your organization in any way what you want, fulfilling your all kind of internal and external reporting requirement. Okay, you can import this. You can set up structure it in Excel as per Financial Unlimited. I have already shown in previous videos, and can import it. If you want to add new accounts, you can do it. For instance, if I want to add sub account of this checking account, then I need to select this, and then if it's a bank account. Now there are two type of accounts. One is simple account, if one bank account. If this one is bank account, then sub account is bank account. Then I need to click the bank account. Okay, I need to give the name of the banking this bank account. Okay, I'm gonna give the checking A. Okay, now I copy paste and put the description, the GL code. Okay, GL code. I'm gonna the GL code of the parent account. In this case, this account would become parent account, like current asset account is the parent account of checking account, and assets account is the parent of current asset, and this asset is the this asset account is the child account of all accounts. That's how our chart of account works. As many sub accounts as we want, we can create like this. I'm going to create 1000 21 0 01. Okay, if there's a bank number, if it's in currency USD, okay, I'm gonna give currency. Okay, now see, I have set up the sub account of this checking account, and if I want to create a sub account of this, then I need to select this one, and then if I want to create this bank account, because this is a bank account, the sub account would be bank account, then I need to click this bank account. If I want to set up other than bank account, then I would use this simple account button. That's how you can create as many layers of chart of account as you want, which is the unique thing. Any you won't find any this kind of feature for setting up chart of account in any other system. That is why we call this system as a Financials Unlimited, because it by using its chart of account and sensibly, professionals or anybody who knows little bit about bookkeeping, accounting can set up any kind of business in Financial Unlimited, fulfilling as per their internal and external reporting requirement. The other important thing, the feature of the setting, is the manage user. Through the manage user, you can give access to your business account in Financial Unlimited as many users as you want, and you can allow, if you want that one user is only limited to head office, he would be able to access only head office. If you want some user to access all of these head office and branches, you can just check it and give this request, and you can define the roles as well. When you would define the roles, you can these are the roles. You can, whatever role you want to give or you don't want to give, just uncheck. If you want to give some role, and if you don't want to give some role, then you just need to uncheck. If you want to give the access to these items, for instance, if I want that set up items, this user can see the setup item here. It should not insert or update or delete. Then now that user would be able to see the setup items, but he or she would not be able to. This user would not be able to insert, update, or delete these setup items. Okay, that's how I can set up roles for each user as per our requirements. This is very important aspect of settings of Financial Unlimited. Now this is the last one, change password. If you want to change your current password, just give the current password and put new password, and that's how you would be able to change your user password very easily. Hopefully this video would help you understand how different features of setting features of Financial Unlimited works, and how it is different and dynamic with respect to other system. Thank you very much.